Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain about a simple Java interview question, define data type. So what is data type and how many types classification we are going to discuss. So what is a data type? Whenever you are storing the information, we already discussed every program has information. Whenever you are storing the information, what type of information you are going to store, that we have to specify. Suppose I want to store age of the person. Suppose 21 is a value. I want to store 21, so I decided to give the name is a age. Now you need to specify what type of data. Suppose it is integer type. So what is the purpose of representation? Based on the data type, it will decide how much memory it should allocate to store the information. For example, I just want to store height of the person. For example, is a 5.7. What type of data you are storing? Float or double? Decimal are you storing? Integer are you storing? Character you want to store? A collection of a group of characters you want to store? Depends on what type of data you are storing, you have to specify its data type. Data type, based on the data type only, the memory will be allocated. How many types of data types? Data types are classified into two types in Java. First one is a primitive data types. Second one is a referenced data types. Total we have 8 primitive data types are there. Briefly I will explain in the next interview question. Here simply I am giving that byte, short, int, long, char, float, double and boolean. 8 primitive data types are there. When we specify all the 8 also we will see. Next one, reference data types means what? Object based data types. Array, string, class and so many interfaces, annotations, so many are there. All these are comes under referenced data types. So data type, in the representation of, in the declaration of variable, it is mandatory to specify the data type. Based on the data types only, memory will be allocated to store the information. Data types are classified into primitive data types and reference data types. Total 8 primitive data types are there, right? And reference data types means what? Object based data types. Hope you understood. Please subscribe.